This evening we're gonna go over a demo of our 3-minute scalping indicator. We will be trading MES that happened on June 12th, Thursday, starting at 6 a.m. Pacific time. So a couple of different ways to use the indicator, to watch for the buy and sell signals, and use the take profit levels. And the second one would be trading it using the changing background colors to indicate bullish or bearish trends. Okay, so let's take a look at our setting real quick. So we're using for fast EMA the 9-period EMA, and slow is 21. We're using the 5-minute for confirmation. We have the RSI filter turned on. We're using a session filter. We're using ATR stop loss, and these are the different settings. 5 points for the stop loss. Take profit 1 ratio is 1.2. Take profit 2 is 1.5, and take profit 3 is 2. We're showing the take profit and stop loss levels, which are these green and red lines. And we're using volume for confirmation, and we're also using pullback entries. All right. So we're going to do a bar replay starting at 6 o'clock. And there we go. So we're gonna wait for the buy signal to show up. Yeah, it's a little slow because we're using this replay speed, so I don't miss an entry. I actually missed an entry because I'm talking. Anyway, let's do that over. Excuse me. Okay, buy signal. And we'll exit as soon as we hit our take profit level. Okay, right there. So you can see right there, we hit our take profit level. So we're gonna exit. And wait for the next signal to show up. So I guess we could have let that trade run, but we're being conservative, so we're respecting our take profit levels. So we're looking for the next buy or sell signal. By the way, this strategy uses EMA crossing across multiple time frames. And right now we're using 5 minute to confirm the 3 minute time frame. Taking a while. Okay, there's the sell. Put in the sell. Yep, look at that. I know it technically, it's saying that this bar meets all our um, requirements, but yet the price went the other way. Yeah. So we'll exit that trade. So we have a loss. Okay, let's see. Wait for the next signal. It's already 5 o'clock. We're gonna get this. There you go. Oops. Yep. There's a sell signal right there. Obviously, if you're trading real time, you would have, caught it as this bar closed. I'll kind of slow this down a little bit. Well, we are past our take profit levels, but you can see here. Let me pause this. But you can see how wide our gap is between the two EMA lines. We're at 0.3%. So at this point, um, since we're past our take profit level, we can actually close this trade. And it's already 5 o'clock. So, we can see if there's another opportunity later in the evening. So imagine if we had allowed the trade to just keep on going and exit over here, but we don't have a crystal ball, right? So we don't know how far it'll go. I guess, I guess there is a way. I mean, it is telling us that it's still bearish by using the background color. So it's already 8 o'clock in the evening. No, I think I'm gonna just say I'm done for the day and just take my $100 profit for today. So it was a 66.67% win rate, profit $101. You can open the performance report and actually export that so you can study it later. All right. So now the second way of trading this is if we just use the changing background colors to indicate bullish and bearish trends. So let's see how we do. Let's hide our indicators. Yeah, I'm not sure. Sometimes with this with trading view, you have to refresh the page so you can go back in the settings. There you go. So we're gonna turn off. We're not gonna show take profit and stop loss levels. And let's see. Visibility. Nope. Style. We wanna hide the buy and sell signals. All right. So we go back to Thursday, June 12. And we're gonna use the changing background colors strictly to trade. Six o'clock. Slow it down a little bit. All right. So we can see that our price is above that EMA, and we have a green bullish background color. So since we don't have a take profit level and a stop loss, you'll just have to kind of manage it, like how far you want to let it run and when to take profit. Right here, we could have taken profit as soon as it touched the fast EMA, but we can take profit right here. And let's see, watch out for the next signal. Okay, you see right here where it's not highlighted because the 3 EMA is on a downtrend and the 5 EMA I mean, the 3 minute time frame is bearish and the 5 minute time frame is bullish. So they're not in sync. That's why we don't have this area highlighted. It looks like temporarily look like it's gonna start turning bullish again. Okay. So looks like it's turning bullish. So go enter a trade. But since it's a lighter green color, it's not it's a weak bullish signal, unlike this dark green over here. Yep. Okay. It's gonna start turning, so I'm gonna close that trade. It's started turning bearish, so put in a sell. Oh man. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna. It's gonna turn bullish here now. See over here, the volume is. I mean, the EMA separation is really low. It's almost like it's just traveling sideways, right? It was trending sideways. So we'll just take that loss. It's turning bullish. Enter another trade. Okay, see what happens. Oh, another loss. Okay, good. Got a bearish signal. Another loss. Yeah, now we're negative. Hopefully, we'll recover losses here. Starting to trend sideways. Maybe I should just take my $30 and wait for the next one. Oh, that's what we missed right there. If we had not exited, then we would have captured this move right down here. Alright, so what if from here when we saw that we entered a short and let it run until it changes colors or or the background color disappears. So, this is, I think I commented on one of the videos that the biggest challenge in trading is the psychological part. And, this is where it comes in. It's like, as this trade is progressing, like, what is your risk tolerance? When do you feel comfortable taking profit or allowing it to run? So if we had allowed it to run, then look at that. It's still we're still getting the bearish signal, a really dark red color. Okay, now it's starting to trend up right here, and it crossed our fast EMA, or the 9 EMA. At this point, do you feel comfortable taking profit or allowing it to run? Um, right now, we can just take that $447.50 profit. If we let it run, let's see if it's gonna keep going, or if it's gonna start trending up and give back some of this. So remember, I went from a dark red to a lighter red, meaning the signal is getting weaker, and you can see right there that the EMA separation is pretty much at 0%, and the 3 minute is on an uptrend and the 5 minutes on a downtrend. So we could have taken our 447, but we allowed it to run, so we gave back some of it. So close this trade, and it's 7 o'clock in the evening. I made $400. I think I'll say I'm done for the day. So this kind of skewed our win rate, since I took the bar back to the point before the bearish signal started. Um, so it's not it no longer it lost the record of it from the beginning of the day. Um, but we weren't down that much for the day. We actually made most of our profit with this trade between let's see here, between 1 o'clock to about 7 o'clock in the evening. So there you go. Two different ways to use the indicator. Depends on your trading style. And if you want to give this indicator a try, you can message me at support@motrades.trade. I can let you use it for maybe like a week, 7 days for free. Then after that, it'll be a subscription service. So check out the links at the bottom of the video. I'll have my link there to my website, and also you can check my YouTube profile for my email address. Thank you.